Numbers 60, 65, 2, 3, 8, 100, 150 are very easy. But what when a point is added in between the numbers, like 105.63. So this point is known as decimal. So what is decimal? A number which is less than 1 is known as decimal. I, Reena Sharma, your vitamin T, means teacher for all online solutions, is going to discuss the topic decimals today in the most easy and exciting way. So we will learn today the addition, subtraction and the expanded form of decimal in the video in the most easiest way. So let's start the video. Let's start the most interesting and confusing topic, that is decimals. What is decimals? Any number which is less than 1 is termed as decimal. If any number is given to you, suppose say 6, 3, 4, how do you write it? You simply write it under ones, tens, hundred. But what if a point is given here and then here it is written 7, 2? Then how are we supposed to write? So this point is known as decimal, or we also say it as point. So this 7 and this 2, this is written under tens values and this 2 is written under hundredths values. We add this THS. Now let's understand after point how do we write this. This is tens, means it is a fraction 1 by 10. 10, as we know, in tens also we take 10, so here it is divided by 10. In hundredths we take 1 by 100. In thousands we take 1 by 1000. If we have to do the expanded form in decimal, how will we do it? If we are supposed to expand in decimals, how will we expand? So again let's take an example, 726.85. So see, this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, simply we know that. Then how will we write this? Let's have a look. It is 7,000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 9 plus. We have seen that this is tens values and this is hundredths values. So this I will divide by 10 and this I will divide by 100. 8 by 10 plus 5 by 1000. Isn't it so easy? Now let's come to the addition part, where we basically make silly mistakes while doing the calculation because we don't know the correct place values of that. Now addition. If a number is given to you, suppose 84, then 120.65 and let's take a bigger number, 325.7. What children do? They get confused where to write this 84. But a very easy concept. This is a number, this is a number and this is a number. We have decimal after these two numbers, but here we do not have any decimals. So when we do not have any decimals, we will just write point and give the required number of zeros. What children do? Let me show you first. They write it as 320. They write it as 325.7, 120.65. Here nothing is there, so I will write a 0. And they write 84 here. But this is Totally wrong. See. 325.70 120.65. It is a number. We do not have decimals here. So we will put a decimal here, and this is a number 0 and tens. So we will write it under zeros and tens. Here nothing is given. We will just give 2 zeros here. Now we will simply do the addition the way we do. So see, isn't it extremely easy? Now let's see the concept of subtraction. Now let's see the concept of subtraction. The same way, we have to understand what is subtraction. If a number is given to you, like 0.685, means subtract 0.685 from 1. Again, what my students do you know? They just write it like this and write 1 here and do the subtraction. But no, this is again totally wrong. After decimal here 3 digits are there. After decimal means these numbers are less than 1. So if here it is 1, it is coming under 1's place value. So see, 1 point. We don't have any decimals, so we will just add on here the number of zeros required. Now 0.685. We will simply take it. It is becoming 0. This is 10. Now this is 10. This is giving, this is 9, this is 9 and this is 10. So here comes 5, 1 and 3.0. This is the correct way of doing the subtraction. Now let's see even more example in case of subtraction. Simply, the trick is very simple. It is 150 because it is a whole number. Now this is 75. It is under 1's value and it is under 10's value. 0.28. So here also we will give point and 00 so that we can do subtraction with ease. We cannot take carry, so we have to take carry from here. It is 10. Now this is 10. This is 9. This is 9 and this is 10. So 2, 7.4. Now this is 14 and 7. This is 7. Got it? Now I hope decimal now is not scary because we know where to place the correct values and then do the subtraction. Just remember a point that decimal means the number is always less than 1. Thank you, children.